Hey guys, here's two things that I gotta do an unboxing on. The first one, I couldn't wait to open it, so I opened it on the way home. It's from Tribe 7, 1 minute. It's the Go 7 Carolina Blue. I can't wait to string this thing up. It truly is really, really light, like insanely light. So I'll be showing that up soon and doing a review on it. Now here's a jimalax order. Wait 1 minute, guys. Let me cut this. So here, 1 minute. So this is one of my smaller orders. So it's probably the smallest one so far. So here we go. Here is the invoice. I was just reading what it said. It said it threw in a white. I don't know if you guys can read it. They're white with the white one without the bag is the glow in the dark bracelet. So here's some semi-hard mesh. 6 pieces. I think I ordered 5, so they threw an extra. Thank you, Jimma. There's some gold sidewall. Real nice. Carolina blue spool. Oh, I've been needing this. There. Another lanyard. Here's like a Volt jimalax sticker. Here's the glow in the dark bracelet. White cross lace and purple sidewall. And then here we got 3 white bracelets and 1 black. And then last but not least, 10 yards of neon yellow sidewall. I think this probably is going to go in here. Alright, thanks guys. Rate, comment, subscribe.